Today we have got topic infinitives. Let's get started. An infinitive is the base form of the verb with to. That means when we use any verb preceded by to, that is called infinitive. Example: it is your duty to help this man. Over here you can see help is the verb and to is preceded by it. Next example can be she was the first to arrive. Here arrive is the verb and to preceded by to, so that means to arrive is infinitive. Next example is you must work hard to master English grammar. Master here is verb preceded by to. So an infinitive is a verb that is used as a noun. So one has to understand that it can be used as a subject or an object of a sentence. An infinitive is used after certain verbs. For example, I want to find a job after an object. I want you to help me after certain adjectives. I'm happy to help you after certain expressions. With it is important to tell the truth. So let's have a look on some well-known sayings. You can find infinitives, how important they are. For example, eat to live, not live to eat. One of the famous quote. So you can see two times here infinitive has been used. To be or not to be, that is the question. I have decided to stick with love. Hate is too great a burden to bear. Or one of the famous saying is to err is human, to forgive divine. Here two times infinitive has been used. So there are a couple of verbs which are followed only by infinitives. For example, hesitate. I don't hesitate to tell the truth. Next verb is offer. That is followed by infinitive. We offer to keep our neighbor's dog while they were away on vacation. Promise. I promise to help you. Want. I want to help you. I want to visit you. I want to come to you. I don't want to go to school. So like this, these are a couple of common verbs followed by infinitives. We use the objective case of pronouns for the subjects or the objects of infinitives. For example, if we take example of subject, we wanted him to go. Here it has been used as subject, to go. We wanted Ali to beat her. So that means it has been used with her, so it is here object. So couple more things to explain here in order to understand the usage of infinitive is the infinitive can be used as a subject of a verb. That means we can put it on the front. Let's take examples to understand this. For example, to speak truth is good, to work hard is good, to find fault with others is easy. So here to has been put before verb and on the front, starting a sentence with this. So this has been used as subject of a verb. Next usage can be as the complement of a verb. Example: his aim is to make a lot of money. Your ambition is to become a writer. So here it is about complement of verb. Next usage can be infinitive used as object of a verb. For example, Ali wants to help others. She likes to dance. So also, along with object, one can use the same infinitive as an objective complement. Understand the difference? Find example here. I heard her cry out in pain. She watched the ship sail away. Infinitives are also used to qualify a noun. For example, this is not the proper place to sing. So that's not the real estate to go for bargaining. Here is a pen to write with. It is also used to qualify an adjective. Example, the boy was ready to offer. The child was anxious to see his mother. It is also used to qualify a statement. For example, to say the least, he is good at cricket. She is happy, so to say. It can be also used to show purpose. She stayed late to finish her work. He put on his glasses to read the document. So, understand the difference that infinitive and gerunds are two different things, and gerunds are the ing forms of the verb. They are also used uh, against noun. Infinitive also take shape of noun, but the basic difference between infinitive and gerunds is infinitive or the verbs preceded by to. That means first come to, then comes verb, and that takes the shape of noun. They act as noun. While in comparison to infinitives, gerunds are the verbs in form of verbs. That means base form plus ing. So they also take shape or they act as nouns, but their usage is somehow different. In order to know about gerunds, keep watching my videos. Thank you.